my palm oil rice and beans. Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, so I am, you say good morning, say hi guys. So I'm rushing over to the salon now to wash my hair because I'll be braiding my hair today in the shop. I'm so excited. Like, I be kind of say for long. If I open my hair tie, I have cornrows on, which is very old, for about okay, a weekend now. But you guys know that my hair gets old too easily. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm making my hair, but it's just a normal the regular hairstyle. Yeah, but this time around I'll be using extension. Yeah, so I'd like to carry you guys along. Hi guys, good morning. So I just want to show you guys my hair, but I don't understand why this chuku is looking like all back. Like, I thought the chuku is supposed to be here. Just looking like all back. Yeah, so this is my hair. I want to make jollof rice this month. Today is Friday. My kids didn't take food to school. You guys know that I normally give them snacks on Fridays, but yeah, so I want to make palm oil jollof rice, which they will eat when they come back from school. Yeah, so yeah, and I would like to carry you guys along. Like, I've been sitting down here since I woke up. I have clothes to wash, but there is no lights. So yeah, I'm tired, but let's just go and do the needful because I'll soon be going to my shop. I think I'll be putting on my, so I think I'll be putting on this face mask. This one. Last week about 3 times I did the other one, the one that you rub and allow it to dry, then you peel it, like you pull it up. I did that one, and yeah, I've had this one, like plenty of them since, which I don't think I've made use of. Okay, I used just one out of it because my husband got this for me, including the under eye one. I think I'll be using both this morning. So when they dry up, I'll go and cook if I go to the shop, because I don't know. Let me see if I can pamper my face. I think this is skincare. Okay, I'll do that. But if I'm not able to do it, if my face is not giving me what I want, I'll look for other alternative. Like, if you look, I have pimple, yeah, but it's not much. So you guys, here is the eye mask, and this one is the one for the lips. Like, I don't know how to use all those things. That is why I have those things. Like, I still have plenty of it. The baby. Okay, don't worry, I've seen it. This one is for the, is it for the lips? For the eye? Okay, there you go. I think it's like this I used to put it. Or is it the other way around?
You're the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me, for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me dance. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. kind of things where they make man see ya. And me. So many ways is where I want you for you, my love.
So this is all for this one. And then let me keep this one first. And this is what this one is looking like. Okay. So I'm just going to allow it to dry on my face, and yeah, I'll remove it and then go into the kitchen and cook. So this is one I normally used to use. I'll just apply it. This is how it looks inside the packet. So it's just like a tube. I'll just open it, like bring it out. It's like a paste. Apply it all over my face and then allow it to dry up, and then I pull it up. Like I put this one is always good, but this one, let's see how it works. It's actually very cold on the face. Cold. So you guys, I'm in the kitchen right now and I want to start cooking. Okay, I want to start cooking. So let me show you guys the ingredient that I want to use for this, my local type of jollof rice. So you guys, here is my parboiled rice, here is my parboiled beans, and this is the seasoning I'm going to be using: lasso chicken, mixed spices, this is all-purpose seasoning powder, and here is curry masala. I'm going to be making use of 3 Mr. Chef and 2 Knorr. This is my blended crayfish, my chopped onion, pepper, obehe, and the white one there is garlic. This is my tomato, and here is dry fish. And then I also have my cooked meat there. Okay, so in here I have my red oil, and I want to go in with the chopped onion. I want to go in with the garlic, the mashed garlic, and here is the obehe. I'm using 2 obehe, 2 balls. So I like to go in with the tomato. I am using Sonia tomato. I'll go in with my pepper, my blended pepper. So I'll go in with the seasoning right now. So I'll go in with the dry fish. right now. Let me get scissors. So I want to go in with the spices. I'm trying to adjust it before I cut, so that I will not cut the seasoning together with the sachet, the leather. I don't know what to call it to, but I hope you guys understand what I mean. Salt. So this is what our stew looks like. So it's time to go in with the goat meat. I'm adding the broth at once. I want to go in with more water. So right now we're going in with the beans. And here is the rice. I'm just going to stir it. So I need to change the spoon today. This one is more stronger. This one is not so strong. And I don't want it to spoil. I'll go in with more water. Never just restore their lights. Yeah, thank God. It is giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. So let's go in with the crayfish. So I'm going to cover and cook. Let's cover it up and cook, okay? Yeah. So guys, I have to quickly rush to go and take my shower because yeah, I'm going to the show. So today is Friday. I am dressing on native. I will show you guys the few outfits when I get to my shop. Yeah, so let's check on our food. So So I'm going to go in with this. This is curry leaf that I plucked from my compound. Just going to give it a proper stir. So guys, if you are learning on how to make a local rice, this is a perfect way to make this palm oil rice. Yeah, with beans. This is a local food, if I may say. Rice is not a local food, but the method I use, the palm oil there. Yeah. So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. Okay, and you guys, this curry leaf that I added to it, like, take the taste from 0 to the scent from 0 to 100, like it is scenting. Okay, it is, the scenting is top notch. It's 100 over 100. Hey God. I have to show you guys the closer look of this food. So you guys, this is the closer look of our food. Yeah. It is giving 100 over 100. So you guys, here is my palm oil rice and beans. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.